Hello friends, welcome to gardening section of my channel Jai Padmacharaj. Today I am going to show you a video of harvesting baby corn which I have grown on my terrace in a pot. We can grow baby corn in two ways. One way is to harvest regular corn while the stalks are small and minute, so the cob is small and soft enough to consume. Second way is to plant a special seed variety that only produces baby corn. In this variety, number of baby corn tend to be produced more in number. In case you leave this seed variety plant too long, then it will dry instead of growing into a regular corn. It will just dry. Here I have planted second variety which only produces baby corn. The baby corn plant requires good sunlight with temperature between 21 to 28 degrees Celsius for most optimal growth. The plant doesn't tolerate high temperature in excess of 30 degrees Celsius. I have prepared the soil in the pot by mixing red soil 40%, compost 40% and 20% of coco peat. So I am not adding any additional fertilizer here. It requires daily watering so that it keeps soil moist. In one pot we can plant between 2 to 6 plants, but it's good to keep a distance of at least 15 cm from each other. If there are weeds, it is necessary to pluck them from time to time. Here we can see that the baby corn are fully grown now. The question is, when do we harvest the baby corn? The right time to harvest them is as soon as the corn silk emerges from the corn ear, or we can wait for a few days after the silk emerges. Typical baby corn length is 4.5 to 10 centimeters length and 0.7 to 2 centimeters in diameter.
Shall I help you?
You need to take this off.
Okay, let me take it. You need to help me.
No, I'll do mine.
You like it?
Yeah. But take off this hair on it.
What is this?
Come!
It's corn, baby corn.
He got touched!
Like baby corn?
Baby corn! Baby corn, baby corn, baby corn.
Ooh, yeah.
That's it friends. If you like this video, please like the video. If you love this video, please subscribe to my channel at Jai Padmajaraj. Thanks for watching.